Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Twitter application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all we need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log in, and let's get straight to it. So first of all, let's just launch Twitter. So as we said, we want to enable sensitive content. So what can we do first is just head up to our profile or just click at the icon or your icon profile at the top left corner. If you click on that, all you need to do is to scroll down until you find the settings and privacy. Here, all we need to do is just look for privacy and safety. If you can't find that, all you need to do just go here and click at search settings and type privacy. As you can see, here is its privacy and safety. After you click on that, as you can see here, we have an option called your tweets. All you need to do, just tap on that, and here all you need to do, just toggle the button next to the mark media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. So here this option, all you need to do, just mark it or turn it on. Then uh, after you do this, you will be able to see, or you will be enabled to see sensitive content on Twitter. So after just you go back, if you see maybe some sensitive content, you will be enabled to see it and you will be all done. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.